Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Escape, 2013 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 Ford Escape manages the electrical circuits for interior features such as power windows, audio systems, interior lights, and climate control. It houses fuses and relays that protect these components from electrical overload. The fuse layout includes clearly labeled circuits for easy troubleshooting. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2017 Ford Escape controls and protects key interior electrical systems such as power seats, infotainment, interior lighting, and smart charging. It includes mini fuses and micro relays for efficient circuit protection. The fuse panel design allows for quick identification and replacement of faulty fuses. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford Escape manages essential interior electrical systems, including the fuel pump, interior lighting, and central locking. It also supports advanced features like the sync infotainment system, GPS module, and keyless entry. The fuse layout is clearly labeled, facilitating straightforward identification and replacement of fuses. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 Ford Escape safeguards high power systems such as the engine control module, ABS, cooling fans, and headlights. It contains high amperage fuses and relays to ensure reliable operation of essential engine and safety components. The layout is organized for efficient access during maintenance or troubleshooting. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 and 2015 Ford Escape protects vital systems like the powertrain control module, starter motor, ABS, and electric cooling fans. It houses high current fuses and relays designed for performance-critical components. The fuse box layout supports quick identification for diagnostics and repairs. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 Ford Escape controls and protects high-demand systems such as the engine control unit, transmission, ABS, and lighting circuits. It includes high amperage fuses and multiple relays to manage critical power distribution. The structured layout allows for efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford Escape supports essential systems like the ECM, starter relay, fuel injection, and cooling fans. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays to handle the electrical load of performance and safety components. The box is designed for easy access and fuse identification to streamline service tasks. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford Escape safeguards critical systems such as the anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability program, ESP, cooling fans, and the powertrain control module. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays designed to handle substantial electrical loads, ensuring reliable operation of essential components. The fuse box layout is organized for efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2016 Ford Escape controls auxiliary systems such as the rear power outlet, trailer tow module, liftgate, and rear wiper. It includes many fuses and relays for efficient protection of rear-end electrical components. The fuse arrangement is clearly labeled for easy service and replacement. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford Escape manages electrical systems related to the rear of the vehicle. It includes fuses for the power liftgate, rear power outlet, audio amplifier, and trailer tow module. Additionally, it supports features like the rear wiper, parking aid module, and heated seats. The fuse layout is organized for easy identification and replacement of components. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford Escape manages electrical systems related to the rear of the vehicle. It includes fuses for the power liftgate, rear power outlet, audio amplifier, and trailer tow module. Additionally, it supports features like the rear wiper, parking aid module, and heated seats. The fuse layout is organized for easy identification and replacement of components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.